Here we go. Good luck. Last 6 of the case. I need to sharpen it. It's also not very sharp as it used to be. I need to sharpen that thing. All right, guys. We're expecting 2 autographs per box plus 1 memorabilia plus a bunch of numbered cards. Sometimes you get a bonus. All right, we're going to rip the packs for all the boxes for each box. Take out those filler cards. Struggle a little bit. Come on, get open, baby. Well, welcome everybody to the break. We got a link pinned below, which will take you to our next football break. Prism, no huddle, 6 boxes, exclusive autos and parallels in that one. Scroll up in the chat. You can see the link. If you don't, let me know. I'll post it again. Here we go. Take another 1-on-1. Let's go. We can try. Good luck. Everything ships is damn fan light. Hold on. Knock that wire up. I need to get those clap on, clap off lights. Clap on, clap off. All right, now let's go. Malachi Starks, the first silver here, concourse for the Ravens. We got Michael Penix, phenomenon, yet to be determined. Couple base cards and a Tyler Booker club level silver. I could only remember the club level and the field level. I can't remember the others. Concourse as well. That one's easy. Hampton Concourse silver. We'll take care of sleeving up all the silver base after the break. Top load the nice rookies, of course. First number hit is to the Niners. Ricky Pearsall out of 249. Blue checker. Niners for Sean Patrick. Couple base cards there. And we got Jalen Royals on the green, the lime green. 2 out of 49 there for the Chiefs. Going to Michael C. Mike Gesicki on the silver premier level. Concourse, Terrace Ferguson, silver. And our first patch auto is the 101 guy. Graham Mertz out of 149. We hit his 1-of-1 in the first half of the case. Right? It was this product. Super Bowl ticket. Graham Mertz to the Texans, going to Mike Benoit. We got blue Travis Kelce with the black border out of 99. Urlacher, premier level, silver. Concourse, Travion Henderson. Did I get out fishing? Not yet. The weekend, bro. Weekend's not here yet. Hampton on the red. 23 of 99. That's a nice one to the Chargers. Now, we'll see this weekend. My wife goes away camping tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow. I don't know. We'll see how the day goes. We'll see. Caleb Johnson, Neon Icons. Iosivas, club level. Yeah, gotta wait for the weekend. Jalen Noel, rookie silver. We got Mojo, Jake Ferguson. That is out of 49 to the boys. And a Dylan Gabriel Browns rookie auto here. Hey, if Shador doesn't do well, this guy's right there ready to step in, prove himself again. Dylan Gabriel rookie signatures for the Browns there. Brownies going out to Josh. Isaiah Likely on the silver. And our last card here to the Commanders. Scary Terry McLaurin on the white Sparks patch to 99. There we go, Jeff. This case been nice to your Commanders. That is box number 1. Sweet indeed. Box 1 in the books. Let's go. Box number 2. Welcome, everybody. We are Rippin' Select Football. I'm going to post a link right now that I'm going to post like 20 more times during the break, just so you know. Because we need some help, damn it. We just posted up a brand new break. Facebook is hiding it from everybody. They're hating on us. Click on that link I just posted. It'll take you to the break post. 2025 Prism No Huddle. 6 boxes. Prices are amazing. Go take a look. Grab a team before Facebook finally decides to show everyone. And then it's all gone. We'll do a special right now on the break. Take 2 teams, you get 5 off. We need to get that ready for tomorrow. I'm trying to start my Friday morning written prism. Let's go. Yeah, we got some thick boys here. Good luck, everybody. The Chargers do hit pretty nicely. All right, good luck, everybody. Box 2, here it is. Here it is. CJ Silver Concourse. We got Chimere DK Concourse Blue Checker to the Tennessee Titans. Bo Nix Select Score. Ugliest insert ever. Billy Bowman Jr. on the club level silver. We got a tricolor premier level to 299. Ariante Ursi. Brock Purdy on the premier silver. And a thick boy here is going to be an RJ Harvey. Sheesh. That's nasty. To the Broncos. 109 out of 199. Prime selection. Broncos for Mike. Texans hitting everything. 2025. You see their rookies all the time. Had all these stands set up for baseball, so they're not set for patches there. Jared Goff there on the black silver. Quinion Mitchell silver here for the Eagles. Travis Hunter light blue. Take that. 40 of 99. We'll take that, Jaguars. For James Brown. Out of 25 here, tie-dye multiverse, Steelers and Dolphins. Mike Dyer and Mike Dyer. Oh, he's got them both. Oh my God, I don't have to run a random. Well, we're going to have to run a random for left, right anyways for the other cards. But this one's going to Mike Dyer. Mike, were you looking to get this specific card? Is that why you took both teams? Because you got it, baby. Tie-dye. Let's go. We definitely got a few tie-dyes left in the case here. I'm expecting a couple more, one or two more. Travion Neon Icons. Jaden Daniels, club level silver. Chase Brown, concourse. JJ McCarthy, blue checker concourse for the Vikes. Tricolor, Justin Jefferson to 199 concourse there. Taj Brooks, silver, premier level. Concourse, Jordan Watkins. Mason Taylor, concourse, silver. And patch auto here. Will Howard, Steelers. 33 of 249. Will Howard, Steelers, jumbo patch auto. Jumbo rookie signature swatches. Going out to Mike. That's going to do it for box number 2. DK here out of 249. JJ to 249 as well. And we got 4 more boxes to go. Select likes Harvey. Broncos too. Every team except Commanders hitting like crazy. That's for sure. What's up, Steve? Tampa Steve in the house. Need some Rams and Lions. Let's go. Nice little Tesla. Wouldn't be bad. Hey, Eliab, these are the last 6 boxes of the case. Josh, sometimes I'd make a post for buy and sell, but we had to restrict the posts to admins only just due to a lot of spam coming in and stuff. Go Hawks. Damn. Straight to the Heat. Raiders. Ashton Janty, rookie signatures going out to Edward Kelly. Bang. Sheesh. Josh, if you have any case hits or superstar autos worth between 100 and 500, feel free to send me a message. I do 100% comps for break credit, 85% comps for cash. Straight up. Quentin Johnson, silver. Chimera DK, Rico Dowdo, red mojo. On target, Brian Thomas Jr. Chop Robinson. And Janty. Ooh, Janty box. Blue checker, 175. Raiders. Rashid Shaheed silver. And that goes for anybody, guys. Travis Hunter manga, it might be out of my price range, but let me know. Shoot me a message. We'll see if we can work something out. AJ Brown, Multiverse, Eagles, and Tennessee Titans, Keith Burke, and Brian Pallone. I don't know. What do those mangas go for? Like $1 million? They're expensive, right? Guys, we got to run a left-right random at the end of the break to decide which side these cards go to. I really need to start running at the beginning of the break. I told myself I was going to do that, and I forgot tonight. Chuba Hubbard, and we got Justin Jefferson on the tricolor premiere, 299 Vikings. Cortland Sutton silver. We got a green laser, Jalen Hurts. Nice color match there. 2 out of 5. Bang. Eagles. Keith Burke. Sheesh. Like 2-3K. Shit. Yeah. I could go up to like 1,000. Not on that card. I just meant like the cards I buy. I usually try to be under 1,000 because I'm trying to get cards that are like easily resellable. Oof, damn, that's a big price tag. I don't know if I can meet that. Jordan Love. I'm not saying it ain't worth that, but that might be above me. Kareem Hunt tricolor. That's a sick hit. What'd you hit that out of? Hobby in a break, or out of like FOTL or something like that. Jared Goff. And DK Metcalf here. Is this gold or tricolor? Just tricolor. 249. Look gold because of the Steelers color. Levi, we still got 3 boxes to go, my friend. The break is far from over. Don't give up yet. Curtis Samuel. Hey.
You got bunny ears. Look at the camera.
You're going to sleep? You're actually gonna go to sleep tonight? Or are you gonna stay awake until what time did you stay awake until last night? 11? Pretty sure it was a lot later than that. 11:30.
It was.
You sure?
Yeah, leave at 10 and then stayed up for an hour and a half.
How do you know? Do you got a stopwatch going?
No, he told me.
All right, we just love you. See you tomorrow. Good night. Good night, darling. We've hit a lot of pats. They'll come out. They'll come out. You'll see. Hopefully. All right, let's go. I buy a lot of my own hobby. That's fun too. Josh, if you ever need product sealed, shipped to your door, I'm also your man to mess. I'll get you probably some of the best prices you'll find. Sometimes. Most of the time. But no. We also do personals, guys. As Josh is mentioning here. If anybody ever wants to rip a box to the head, just message me. I'll let you know what's in stock. And we'll have some fun. Maybe this weekend, since my wife is gone, I'll go live for rip and ship personal breaks. I'll just put everything I have in the closet on the table and see what happens. We'll see. We'll see if weather permits. Tyler Show, White Knight, 2 out of 3. Damn. Good luck, bro. That'd be big. His prices are above Shador now. As I've been saying they were going to be for a while. Jamie and Sherwood, silver. Dylan Gabriel, neon icons. Xavier McKinney, silver. We got Chris Godwin on the lime green out of 49 to the Bucks. Trey Smith, Premier Silver. Concourse Silver, Kyron Williams. And Maroon, James Pierce Jr. to the Falcons to 149 for the Birds. For the Dirty Birds. Phil Maffa on the tricolor concourse rookie. Antonio Gates, silver. And for the Bills, Jackson Hayes. Hayes, right? Not Hawes. Patch auto for the Buffalo Bills. Aye. Watch me make a mess. You guys already know at some point in this break, I'm going to knock everything over. Jackson Dart, silver concourse. Debo Samuel, checker. Penix, select score. Calvin Ridley, club level. Nico Collins. Caleb Johnson, silver. Dante Thornton, mojo. Ooh, let's go. Die cut, tie-dye, auto. Who's it going to be in this case, baby? For the Bears, Colston Loveland. Sheesh. Chicago Bears, Travis Shields taking it down. Colston Loveland, tie-dye, die cut, rookie auto. 18 of 25. Rookie signatures. Yeah, the Debo is numbered. I'll tell you in a second. I think it's 299. I believe it's 299 on the Debo, the blue checker. The Get Silver in our patch is a George Kittle Sparks. $96 out of 249. 249 on the Debo. Yeah, I'll put him up for you there, Jeff. Let him get some shine time. 2 more hobby to go here. 101's impossible to price. I need to buy let me be more specific so I'm like keep saying like no to all your cards and I feel bad. Yeah, I can buy stuff. I need to buy stuff that has comps, stuff that's easily compable, that we can go to eBay, we can look at sold listings, we could just agree on a price very easily that, hey, look, this has sales at this is what it's worth. 100% is this, 85% is that. No questions, no arguments. Nothing like that. 101 is impossible to freaking price, unfortunately. I would love to buy 101s. I've bought one of one in my whole life. And that's because I just got an insane price on it and I couldn't pass up. It just felt right. In other words, it was very cheap. But that goes for anybody, guys. If you guys got case hits licensed, okay? I don't do Kaboom baseball. None of that. It's got to be licensed with the team logo. Case hits, autographs of superstars or notable rookie autos of rookies that are still notable. $100. I can go up to $1,000, but I try to be between $100 and $500. I'm trying to look for nice cards that have comps that we can agree on a value very easily. And if you want break credit, I give you 100% value, no questions asked, of the value we agree on. And if you don't want break credit, you want cash, we do 85%, plain and simple. Jackson Dart Micro Mosaic. See, now you're talking my language. I could definitely buy that 100%. Send me a picture. Who was on the one on 14? I was like, what? The 101 was the Graham Mertz Super Bowl ticket. And if you're wondering where does the 85% come from? Well, if you sell a card on eBay, expect to only get 85% of what you got for the card. Could ask anybody that sells on eBay and they'll confirm that. Cam Scat Select Future Tie-Dye. Send me a picture, maybe. Possible. Justin Herbert, Mason Taylor, Ashton Janty Phenomenon, Nick Bolton, and speak of the devil, sheesh. Giants, Tommy Gilbert speaks it into existence for Michael C. Camp Scattaboo. Patch auto. Just like that. Derrick Henry silver and a Kyle Hamilton field level. And we got another multiverse. This one, 149 Chargers and Steelers. James Brown and Mike Dyer. Guys, at the end of the break, we run a left-right random to determine the fate of all the multiverse cards, whether they go to the team on the left or the team of the right. I try to run it at the end of the stream. 99 times out of 100, I forget, and then I run it on the main break post. Okay, so if I forget again, like I always do, I'll run it on the main break post. Sorry, my brain doesn't work sometimes. I'm human. On target, AJ Brown. How about Tet McMillan auto? Yes, send me a picture. Definitely interested. Ernest Jones, tricolor. Jalen Carter, silver. Demetrius Knight, tricolor. Tyler Algier. And I'm a very fair comper, okay? I'm a very buyer-friendly comper, or seller-friendly comper. Especially for guys in the group. Just putting that out there. Anyone who I've sold cards to can tell you that. Kyle Van Noy, but don't try to take advantage of me because I know how to comp, all right? Ravens auto for Casey. Finally, something for the Ravens. Wake up, Casey. We got a hit for you there, my friend. You're on the board. Get Jake Ferguson out of here. Get your boy up there. Jake Ferguson been up there long enough. Mitchell Evans, tricolor. Riley Leonard for the Colts. Aaron Rodgers, silver. Downtowns, micro mosaic, mosaic glass, honeycomb. Freaking, what the hell else am I missing? Uptown's only QBs, okay? Uptown's QBs only. Anything, bro. Baseball, basketball. Let's go. We do everything here in this group. Come on. You know that. Hockey. But it's got to have comps. It's got to have comps. It's got to be a card that can be sold to somebody. Someone come up to me. How much is this card? Here you go. It can't be some like random ass card. Okay, it's got to have comps. And the main reason for that too is so we can agree on a price. Okay. The last thing I want to do is spend 30 minutes of my day arguing with somebody about what a card is worth. That is not the goal. We just want to say, look, boom, boom, boom. Done. Here we go. Oh, I thought you were trying to sell me a McMillan auto. Sorry, Tommy. I thought you were trying to sell me one. If anybody has a Tetaroa McMillan auto, I'm interested. Down goes the... Oh, yeah, the tournament on. I don't follow college basketball too much. I used to. But not a lot of time. But I will put the tournament on just to have it on. I lost the remote to my TV here in the office, so I haven't watched TV in like 3 weeks. Down go the Tar Heels. Good. A whole case with no Ravens. What are you talking about, Casey? Yeah, see, I can't price that. I can't price that. Ashton Janty, I can't come up with a fair price. Joe Burrow, it's impossible. Lad McConkey, Jimmy Grant. It's a double-edged sword having a card like that. Hey, one more tie-dye here. It's Jaden Reed for the Packers. 5 out of 25. Jaden Reed for the Pack. Tie-dye. Jeff Michael, it's a good thing you asked. I'll post the link right now because I forgot to post it before this final box. Guys, Prism No Huddle is up and filling right now. I just dropped the link. Click on it. The teams are cheap. Plenty of teams, 50 and under, for 6 boxes of Prism No Huddle. Click on the link. Go check out some teams after this break. We got Andrew Van Ginkel, silver. Devin A. Chain, tricolor. Oladejo, field level silver. Holmes base. Patch auto, Jerome Ford for the Browns. Trey Harris, black, silver. And multiverse, Sam Darnold, Jets and Seahawks. Tie-dye, Jets, Mike Hansen, Seahawks, Jason Shin. Damn, I'm going to have to run this random right here, guys. We are going to run the random for the left-right live here on stream, guys. Too big, couple base cards here. That's way too high. We got 2 tie-dye multiverse. JJ McCarthy, silver. Scatterboo on the tricolor. Marvin Harrison, silver. Neon Icons, Trey Harris. James Conner for the Cardinals. And a Cliff Harris for the Cowboys. White select auto, 25 out of 35. Drake May, silver. Tricolor, Michael Pittman. And Tua on the silver. Guys, don't forget to go check out Prism No Huddle. Those of you that have split cards, stick around here because we're about to run the random for that right now. And then we're going to do a full recap as well right after we run the random. Don't go anywhere if you want to see all the hits of the break. Let's set up a quick random here. It won't take me too long, just like 30 seconds, not even. For us to share our screen. All right, we'll say FL1595, left and right. We'll spin this at least 6 times, 9 times. We'll go to the last round. Last round determines what side we go with. We're going with the right side, guys, for this break. Right side for this break. That means this goes to the Seahawks, which has the nicer patch, too. Jason Shin, that goes to you, my friend. This one goes to the Steelers, which is Mike Dyer, but he has the Dolphins anyways. And this one goes to the Steelers as well. We got Sparks, George Kittle, and this one goes to the Titans, the A.J. Brown. Hits of the break. Ashton Janty, silver rookie signatures, plus the blue checker there for the Raiders. RJ Harvey, jumbo patch auto for the Broncos. Dylan Gabriel, rookie signatures. Jerome Ford, patch auto as well to the Browns. And Scattaboo there for the Giants. Colston Loveland, auto to 25. And a Jalen Hurts, green laser to 5. Thank you, Josh. Have a great night, sir. Feel free to send me pics of that micro mosaic. Scattaboo, Pittman, A-Chain, Ernest Jones, Demetrius Knight, Mitchell Evans, Kyle Hamilton, Phil Maffa, Kareem Hunt, Justin Jefferson, DK Metcalf, and Ursi on the tricolors there. We also got a Justin Jefferson tricolor as well. Other hits here up top. Cliff Harris, Cowboys, white select. Jaden Reed, tie-dye. Rico Dowdle, Mojo. Pearsall, blue checker. Kyle Van Noy, auto to the Ravens. Red, Omari and Hampton. Light blue, Travis Hunter. Sparks, Terry McLaurin. Will Howard, patch auto. Jackson Hayes, patch auto. Graham Mertz, patch auto. And the Kelsey, blue-black. And a couple other hits here. The red Mojos, Jake Ferguson, Dante Thornton, maroon Joe Burrow, James Pierce, green Chris Godwin, Jalen Royals, blue checker Mason Taylor, Debo Samuel, JJ McCarthy, and Shamari DK. Thanks everyone. Have a great night. See you later.